Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI 13C, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Bluetooth section right away. After that, tap on gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to activate it, and just wait for available devices to show up. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Nextly, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!